Hey everyone, this video is for all the Polo Vento Rapid or Ameo owners. This is the common problem in the armrest of Polo or Vento or Rapid. So the clip of this armrest breaks down. So I have a solution for this. I have designed a 3D model of this clip, and if you want to buy the product from me, you can go to the link in description, my Instagram ID, and you can just DM me, or I am also mentioning the Amazon link in description. You can order it directly from Amazon India, and you can get it replaced easily at home. So replacing the part is very easy. I can make a video in my next post. If you want the video for the installation, then please comment in the comment section. Thank you so much.